Today I will share with you how to make a rolling planet video using your phone, which looks like this. This video is really easy to make. It requires no editing skills whatsoever. All you will need is your Insta360 1R and the bullet time handle. To record a rolling planet, just hit record on the 1R, place it on the ground, take 2 steps away from the camera, and then run in a circle for about 20 seconds. To edit your rolling planet, open the 1R app and transfer your footage from the camera onto your phone, or you can edit from the 1R directly. The next thing you need to do is trim the parts of the video where you start and stop recording. To do this, tap the footage, go to Edit, Trim. With the left marker selected, trim the start of the video until you start running. With the right marker selected, trim the end of the video just before you stop running. Tap the tick to confirm. Then go back, go to the Stories tab, scroll down and tap Roll Planet. Tap Apply. Now choose the footage you were just editing. Tap Confirm. Now wait for the AI to work its magic. And you now have a rolling planet video. To export your video, just tap the export button. But if you want to change the aspect ratio, then go into the editor, tap the aspect ratio button, and then export your video. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful, and I'd love to see your rolling planets, so don't forget to tag me, and I'll see you in the next one.